exercise 5.4 from page 980. And the first question is simplify the following. First question is 15 by 36, again 33 by 36, 23 by 36. Now look at the denominator. If the denominator of all the numbers are same, then just put the denominator one time and copy the numerator, like here is 15, 33, 23. Okay, now add this three number. If you add 15, 33, 23, what we get? We get 71. So right here 71 by 36. Now look at this number. This is an improper fraction and we have to convert this into a mixed fraction by dividing these two numbers. Now divide 36 by 71 like this. So your answer is 135 by 36. So this is your answer. Next sums, that is G. 12 1 by 18 minus 9 5 by 18. Now these two numbers are in mixed fraction and we have to convert this mixed fraction into an improper fraction. First we have to multiply these two numbers and these two numbers, product of these two numbers, we have to add with this. So note down the denominator and multiply 18 with 12. We get 216. Now plus 1 over there. So 217 minus, again write down the denominator and multiply 18 with 9. The answer is 162 plus 5, it's 167. Again here is denominator are same, so copy the denominator at one time. Now note down this one. Okay, now subtract these two number. If you subtract these two number, you get 50 out of. Now reduce this improper fraction to the lowest one by dividing these two number. We get 25 and 9. Now 25 by 9. Now divide this to make it into the mixed fraction. Now your answer is 2 7 by 9.